Welcome back and Happy New Year. I am bringing you the best Walgreens deals going on this week. I will share with you how I got all of these items completely free, as well as share with you the best grocery deals, even more deals that you don't see here on my table that your family might want, and promo codes that you can use for curbside pickup or online orders. Also, lots to talk about. A few of you have reached out to me and said, "Where are you? I haven't seen a video recently." The last 2 weeks of the year were what I consider to be holidays. Christmas Eve was Sunday, and that's when I celebrate Christmas with my family. The following Sunday was New Year's Eve, and honestly, I just wanted a little bit of time off at the end of the year. So that's why I didn't do videos those 2 weeks. But I am back on schedule, and you should see a Walgreens video from me every single week. I also announced the giveaway winner in the Secret Santa gift exchange. Judith, if you see this, make sure you go and comment on the original post that you made and shoot me an email at savingwithchristina@outlook.com. More giveaways to come in 2024. And that brings me to one of the other things I wanted to talk about, which is goals for the year. So every year I love looking back on the year, how I spent my time, how I want to spend my time going forward. So I'll share with you a few of my personal goals, but also goals for Saving with Christina. So personal goals, I want to exercise consistently. That makes me happy and makes me feel healthy. I want to spend more time outside. I love being out in nature. I want to play more games with my family and my friends because games make me happy and everyone enjoys it, has a good time, lots of laughter. I also want to be reading more consistently. I love being able to listen to a good book or read a good book. So if you have good book suggestions, please drop them down in the comments. You can find me on Goodreads too, I think. I'm starting to play around on Goodreads to document the books I've read and the ones that I want to read. Goals for the channel. Now, I don't have like, I want to get to 100,000 subscribers. Like, my goals for this channel is to help people save money, to develop a community that trusts me to bring you the best deals that I can find. That's what's important to me. I also want to see more interaction. Like, what keeps me going and keeps me motivated is interacting with you guys. So please drop me comments. Please talk with me down in the comment section because that's how I stay connected to you and not just feel like I'm talking to a screen. Maybe I need to do a few more lives this year. I don't know. Let me know what you think about that. So yes, subscribers are important. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. But the reason that part is important to me is it allows me to bring you even more exclusive discounts because companies will reach out and say, hey, we want to get our product in front of your followers and we have this amazing deal going on, and they'll give me exclusive discounts to share with you. So that's one of the reasons why subscribers are important. The more important piece to me is helping people save money. That's my mission with what I do for a living. One thing that I forgot to mention that I think you'll want to know about because it's a product that I have tried and I actually loved. A lot of people have a New Year's resolution to start exercising, exercise more, get healthier, however you want to phrase it. Right now, Get Healthy You has 1 year of classes for 65 cents total for the year. Now, you can stream this on your TV. You can do it from your phone. I can screencast it from my phone to a TV. I did this either last year or the year before. I cannot remember. Time just goes by so fast. I loved these classes. There are so many offerings. There are so many modifications between beginner and advanced. And they charged me exactly what they said they were going to charge me, not a penny more. Now, I ended up canceling after the year because it does automatically renew, and I didn't want to pay the higher cost. So that's what I decided to do, but I didn't want to because I actually loved the classes. So I signed up again with a different email address, and I got it this year again for 65 cents for the entire year. I will drop a link to that down below. But they're really good classes, and I tried it, and I've taken multiple classes because I tend to use what I pay for. Now, Let's talk about, I have my notes here. If you see me looking down, that's why, because I won't remember everything I want to tell you about. Now, let's talk about the deals. 90% off on hair care items and hair tools. I will post pictures at the end of the video of the things that I found, but you're gonna have to go check your hair care aisle, shampoos, conditioners, and then like the beauty tools, like the curling irons and the flat irons. Lots of items, 90% off. Now, some discount codes. Now, these are for curbside and online orders. 15% off a $30 purchase with the code JAN15. 20% off a $50 purchase with the code JAN20. If you like your contacts from Walgreens, I know a lot of people do when they see a coupon code, 30% off contacts with the code CONTACT30. There's $10 off a $30 purchase of Aquaphor with the code Aquaphor. $5 off 15 Nivea purchase with the code Nivea. And $10 off a $20 Eucerin purchase with the code Eucerin. So those again are online curbside deals only. Now I did one curbside order and one in-store order, and I will tell you which is which as we are going through these. Let's start with one that didn't quite work out the way I thought it would, and I want to get your feedback on this. This is an in-store purchase because there's a register reward involved. The Crest 3D White Toothpaste, $3. Pick up one of them, there's a $2 digital. The Oral-B Vivid Toothbrush is $3. Pick up one of them, there is a $2 digital. So you pay $2 at the register, get back a $3 register reward, making them both free and a $1 moneymaker. Now, my register reward did not print. I don't know why it didn't print. The register reward machine was on. So if you do this deal and it works for you, please tell us down in the comments, because other people are going to want to know if it printed, and was it just a weird thing that it didn't print for me, or is it not printing for everyone? So let us know down in the comments. Now, the other in-store deal I did, and this one's kind of unique. I've been excited to share it. I found it a couple of days ago, but I haven't posted it anywhere. It's on the Glucerna products. I found a rebate for 100% back for whatever you pay. So right now, these are $12.99. There is a $4 digital. So you pay $8.99. Then you submit to the rebate. I'm assuming I will get $8.99 back. It says you'll get up to $15 back. It has not processed yet because I just submitted it this morning. You text Glucerna 15 to 811-811, and then it gives you the steps that you need to do. Basically, you snap a picture of your receipt and you send it to them. I got an automatic response that said processing. You should see something within 48 hours. So I can follow up and let you know what I got back on that, but I am planning to get back what I spent, which was the $8.99. If I get more, I'll definitely let you know. But those were my in-store purchases. Also, the Bounty. So this is a solid deal with Ibotta. These are $5.49. Check your digital coupons. I had a $1 digital. So I paid $4.49 and got back $4 on Ibotta, making my final cost just 49 cents for this pack of paper towels. Now, if for some reason you're not using Ibotta yet, it is a cashback app. I have a full tutorial on it, but it's super easy to use. Use this referral code because you'll score an additional $5 when you snap that first receipt. Now, clearance online. There were Rimmel mascaras, not these, I'll pop them up on the screen, that were $1.99 each. My store ended up doing a substitution, which is why I have these instead. So you want to pick up two of them at $1.99. I had a $3.50 digital and a $2 digital. Remember, we want to do these curbside because those coupons aren't going to come off in store. So I paid $0. But right now, there is a booster coupon for $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2 beauty items. So I paid $0, but I got $5 back in Walgreens cash, making them completely free, and a $5 moneymaker. So awesome, awesome deal on the clearance makeup. There was more clearance makeup. There was Wet n Wild, lots of Wet n Wild products between 49 cents and 99 cents. I had a $3 digital. So again, if you can find those in stock at your store, and you have that $5 Walgreens cash when you buy 2 beauty products, you could make $5 buying those Wet n Wild products. Now, the Dollar Shave Club razors, what is it called? The refills, the blades, they are $4.29. There's a $3.50 digital, making it just 79 cents. And then this Gold Bond. Now, there are cheaper Gold Bond products you could buy, but this eczema relief is a super good product. We've been using it lately and it works miracles. So I was excited to find a deal on it. Now, follow me here and then I'm going to tell you how I rolled this into my spend 20, get 5. These are $13.99 each. Okay. I had a $2 digital and a $1.50 digital. Okay. That's $24.48 is what I would want to pay out of pocket. These products are spend 20, get $10 in Walgreens cash. So I paid $24.48, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. I also submit to the Ibotta app and get $1 back for each of them. Okay, that's $2 back. Now, if I hadn't done the mascara deal, I would get the $5 in Walgreens cash for buying 2 beauty products, making the final cost $7.48 for both, or just $3.74 each. It appears that $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2 beauty products is a limit of 1. So you could only do that 1 time. So you just have to decide what makes the most sense for you. Now, let's talk about how I put this together. I did do this curbside and used my spend 20, get 5 in Walgreens cash digital booster. I bought these, just like I told you, at $4.29 with the $3.50 digital. I bought the 2 Rimmels that I showed you the picture of at $1.99 using the $3.50 digital and the $2 digital. Then I picked up both of these at $13.99. Let me get my little cheat sheet here of what I actually ended up paying. Here it is. Everything's just as I told you on these, but I used the code JAN15 that took off another $3.79. So I paid $21.48 out of pocket for these items. I got back $5 for spending $20 on my booster, $10 for spending $20 on the Gold Bond, $2 on Ibotta for the Gold Bond, $5 in Walgreens cash for the 2 beauty products, whether it was this one or this one. I got the $5 back, which makes all of those items free and a 52-cent moneymaker. So awesome use of that spend 20, get 5 digital booster. Now, let's talk about a few other deals you might want to check out this week. The complete home bags are 3 for $4.99. That makes them $1.66 each. I found Suave shampoo and conditioner, lots of different options between 99 cents and like $1.49, and there's a $1 digital, so as low as free on that one. The Pearls Olives, $2.99. They're buy one, get one free. So that's $2.99 for 2 of them. But there's a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta for each. So you'll get $1 back, making those $1.99 or just 99 cents per pack. Pop-Tarts, and I always do this curbside if I need the Pop-Tarts because that bigger box is $4.29. Buy one, get one free. Makes the bigger box just $2.14 each. There's Planters nuts, mixed nuts and cashews at $4.99. $2 digital makes them $2.99. The Nice K-Cups are on sale, 2 for $8 this week. Nice Water is on sale, 2 for $5. The Jumbo Snacks were $3.49 marked down. Also, buy one, get one free. That makes them just $1.74 each. There were a few Nice cereals at 99 cents each. And the Nice Chips were $1.99 on sale. Lastly, there is Blink contact solution, not contact solution, like dry eye type things. $7.99, $3 digital, and a $4 store digital drops your final cost down to 99 cents. Now, if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section below. More importantly, I would love to know if you have some New Year's resolutions, so definitely share those down in the comments. Thanks.